Hello and welcome you all. Students, today in this video, we'll do questions which are based on exercise 6.3 of our chapter 6 triangles. So, our first question for today is diagonals AC and BD of trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at the point O. Using a similarity criteria for two triangles, show that OA upon OC is equals to OB upon OD. So student, in this question, figure is not given. So first, we will make a trapezium ABCD in which two sides are parallel to one another, which is AB parallels to DC. And also, when we join the diagonals AC and BD, they both will intersect at point O. So now student, first we will consider triangle DOC and triangle DOA. So here, as you can see that I have mentioned angle 1, 2, 3 and 4. So student, in both the triangles, angle 1 is equals to angle 2 and the reason is alternate angles. And similarly student, angle 3 is also equals to angle 4 by alternate angles. And now angle DOC is equals to angle BOA. They both are equal by vertically opposite angles. So from here we can say that triangle DOC is similar to triangle BOA and the reason is student angle similarity criteria. So from here by CPST, which means corresponding part of similar triangle. So from here we can say that OA upon OC is equals to OB upon OD. And now our second question for today is, in the given figure, QR upon QS is equals to QT upon PR and angle 1 is equals to angle 2. So in this question we have to show that triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. So student, first we will consider triangle PQR. So here, according to our question, it is given that angle 1 is equals to angle 2. Therefore, from here we can say that if angle 1 is equals to angle 2, then the side opposite of angle 1, which is PR, and the side opposite of angle 2, which is PQ, they both are equal. So from here PQ is equals to PR. So according to our given condition student, since it is given that QR upon QS is equals to QT upon PR and just now we have proved that PQ is equals to PR. So using it, we can say that QR upon QS is equals to QT upon, and in place of PR, we can write PQ. So QT upon PQ. Therefore, this is our equation number 1. And now we will consider triangle PQS and triangle PQR. So in both these triangles students, the ratio of the corresponding sides, which are QR upon QS is equals to QT upon QP. And the reason is from equation number I. And also in both these triangles, angle 1 is equals to angle 1, or we can say that angle Q is common. So from here we can say that triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR and the reason is side angle side similarity criteria. And now our third question for today is, S and T are points on sides PR and QR of triangle PQR such that angle P is equals to angle RTS. Show that triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. So again, in this question figure is not given. So first we will draw a triangle PQR in which S and T, they are the points on side PR and QR, and also angle P is equals to angle RTS. So now we will consider triangle RPQ and triangle RTS. Therefore in both these triangle, angle P is equals to angle RTS. They are equal as per our question, and also angle R is a common angle in both these triangles. So from here we can write angle R is equals to angle R, which is common. So from here we can say that triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS and the reason is angle similarity criteria. And now our fourth question for today is, in figure, triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. Show that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. So since according to our question student, it is given that triangle AB is congruent to triangle ACD. So by CPCT, we can say that AB is equals to AC and AD is equals to AE. Now we will consider triangle ADE and triangle ABC and prove that they are similar. Now since AB is equals to AC, so from here I can write AB upon AC is equals to 1. And similarly student, since AD is equals to AE, so from here we can write AD upon AE is equals to 1. So they both are equal to 1. Therefore from here we can write that in triangle ADE and triangle ABC, AD upon AB is equals to AE upon AC. And also in both these triangle, angle A is common. So from here we can say that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC, and the reason is side angle side similarity criteria. So this is the end of this video. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.